I think if you're talking, so we can discuss today like women empowerment.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. So I think, what do you think about the women empowerment and why we do have the differences between men and women in our society? What do you think about it?
Mm. Actually, as we as men are a human being, that in the same way the women are also a human being. Okay, and women are participating in all the activities. The women play a important role, a vital role in our society. That's why we need the women empowerment, so that they can grow properly, they can get opportunity, and they can do everything easily. That's why women empowerment is very necessary for us.
Okay, I'm totally agree with you. So what about the empowerment? What is the meaning of empowerment if I will ask to you? So you
Empower
know,
means to give power. Okay, if
yes.
we are giving a power to women, that is woman empowerment.
Great job. Of
Yeah.
course, we have to push to women to do something better. I think to women to do something better in the society. That is called
Mhm.
empowerment. We have to give the support to do something well in the society.
Yeah.
And so, but you know why we are suffering? This is the like 2021. But after that, also now the women they are suffering a lot safety and security issues and a lot more things. According to the a constitution of our country is really really one of the best constitution in the world. But why it is not happening so? And just you are in the police department, so I mean to say that you have seen a lot more cases. The girls they are getting a lot more harassment and they are getting a lot more problems in the society. So why the mentality of the people is not changing?
Yeah. 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 Actually, I have experienced that in the many times. Okay, the woman feel bound to go from the molestation. Okay, from harassment, woman harassment, and after marriage they get so many tension in their home. So it is natural in this age. Okay, but I think it is improving day by day, and after a few decades it will be normal. The woman will be like men. Okay, there is no doubt for that. So actually they are getting this problem because from the beginning they are getting the same environment. Okay, suppose in the beginning when the women are child, that time they are said, look, you are a girl. Okay, so you shouldn't do like, or you should do. Okay, you shouldn't be. And so these are the many things. These are the many things that they are told, and they are told not to do. Okay. That's why the
Yes.
women don't
Mhm.
feel so free to do anything. Yeah.
Exactly. And so we are just limiting them to do something better. And we are saying like that, and why, I have felt like this in the society. When you will go outside, maybe if you will say to your mother, without telling also you can go out. But if any your sister and if any girl is going out, so without telling if she will go outside, maybe the parents, they will scold her and they will say that why you were outside without telling to anyone. So that happened
Yeah,
to you
that's
that
right.
you have seen this kind of things in your society?
Yeah, I have seen it many times. Okay, because as we if we have to go anywhere to take an exam or anything, okay, so we can along. But if the matters comes to the women or the girls, then they are not free to go anywhere. Okay, actually, I'm not telling that it happens everywhere, but most of the places it happens. Okay,
Yes,
so
and
in
you
this
are from
way,
Jharkhand.
they
So
yeah.
Jharkhand
So
is
in
not
this
that much
way.
developed state.
Mhm. So in this way, they have some help from the guardian, or they they keep they keep her guardian with them to go anywhere. Okay, so yeah, it happens. Mhm. But
Yes, of
I
course.
also have seen, but I have also seen that there are many girls and they travel along. Okay, there is no problem with them. Okay,
Mm,
but I think that women are still not safe in our society. Okay, and especially at night, right?
mm,
The women, the girls can go anywhere in the morning, in the day, but they are not free enough. to go anywhere at night. Okay, because it is sure that at night there would be not so people in road or anywhere. Okay, so in this way the woman will be along, and it is natural to be afraid for them.
Yeah, exactly. I can understand. So, but the next question is all about which kind of things we should provide to girls and the women for empowering them. Which kind of things are really important to support them and to make them stronger?
Hmm. So yeah, from my opinion, I would like to say that if we want to woman, if we want to make women so like a bold, okay. So in my opinion, they should mm, means they should they should be given an opportunity to grow together. Okay, they shouldn't given a separate place to live, or separate college or separate school to get study. Okay, the men and women, the boys and girls are given the same opportunity to get study or to participate in all the activities. Okay, so in this way the girls and the boys also will feel that now we are a human being and we have to support to each other. We should do work, as we do with girls or boys. Okay, so in this way the girls or the boys will not feel the discrimination between men and women, right? And
Okay.
when they will grow up, they will realize that no, there is no any problem. What? So what if we are girl, then what is the problem? There is no any problem. Okay, but now what happens? From the beginning, boys are told, okay, that you are boy, okay, you have not to weep, right? Because you are boy, and men doesn't weep. Okay, so these are the things. Yeah, but if they are given the same opportunity, if they live together, then well, they will become, they won't think any other thing, just like that about the gender, means about the gender perception, right? Yeah.
Yes, I got it. So I mean to say that you are supporting to the co-education and the boys and the girls should study together so they can
Hmm.
understand the value of each other, right?
Mhm.
And what about the role of education in empowering the women? The reason is that nowadays in few, I think, village area and the rural areas, they're not
Hmm.
getting opportunity to go to college and university for getting better study, like girls. So what do you
Hmm.
think how the education is playing a vital role to make women's really aware about it?
Yeah, yeah, I am totally agree with you, and I think, as I see that it happens much in village. Okay,
Hmm.
because in village the girls who live in village, okay, they are not getting so much opportunity like the boys. Okay,
Hmm.
because we know very well that there are not so means well schools near the village. Okay, so in this way the student feel bound to go very far to get education. Okay, and because of the girls, they are girls, that's why they are not allowed to go so far to get education. Parents get the children married, okay, in the early age, right? Because that time the girls don't have anything to do. Okay, suppose any girls, a girl, uh, she has completed matriculation, okay, and after that she doesn't have to do anything, okay, because of that there is no any school nearby her. So in this way the parent, well, then what will the parent do? They will get married, it is sure. That's why I think.
Yes, of course. This is true, and this is the harsh reality of our really society. This is not good, actually. So the next question I'm going to ask you, can you give an example of the few, I think, girls who are really doing well in our country, India? I mean to say that according to you, they are really bold enough to do everything in the world, and they are just really famous due to their, I think, strongness. What do you think? You have any example for them?
Mhm. Yeah. So I think the Malala Yousafzai would be the most best example for that, right?
Mm.
Because when Malala Yousafzai was studying in her school, that time a terrorist attack happened in her
Mhm.
school. Okay, and after that, she had to go through the some bullets also.
Mm.
Okay, but even that, she didn't give up the studying. She had to spend so many days in her bed, but after that becoming healthy, she started again to go to school and she got the education. After that, she is doing so many social activities to girls to make girls study. Okay, so I think, and there are many girls, women are also there who did so many hard work for their success. Only for their hard working, they got success in their life.
Okay, of course, I'm totally agree with you. Just you got like gave the name of Malala Yousafzai. Yeah, like Malala Yousafzai, Munima Mazari, Priyanka Chopra, Hima Das, P.T. Usha, and P.V. Sindhu, and a lot more girls like it. They are doing very well, I think. So
Hmm.
that's really happy to listen that about it. So I think we are in the last of I think this conversation. So I think in the conclusion, we must say we have to give all the opportunity to girls and the women as well, right? I think so.
Mhm.
What do you think?
Yeah,
You are
yeah,
agree with that?
yeah. I'm totally agree with that. I already told here that the same opportunity, the same option should be given to girls also.
Yes. Okay. So I think we are in the last of this conversation, and that is the one of the most important, I think, thing that is called the feedback. So,
Mhm.
are you ready for that? And today you
Yeah,
spoke
yeah,
very
I'm
well.
ready
I
for that.
think I'm totally
I'm
impressed from your thoughts.
Yeah, I'm very eager to hear the feedback.
Oh, that's great. So the first thing I think I will say to you, you expressed your thoughts very well and in organized manner because just it is a really, I think, sensitive topic, women empowerment. After that, also you just gave really, really nice answers. So the I think if you did so, the you know very well what the mistake you did. That is called the pronunciation mistakes, right? And except that
Yeah.
you are trying to make yourself really, really correct in the I think sense of grammar, so there is a no mistake. But for the pronunciation, I would tell you something. You said vital. You said vital. It is not
Vital.
vital. You have to say vital. Vital role
Vital.
in our study. Vital, right?
Okay.
So, and the
Vital.
I think, and second word you said like environment. You said something like in environment, something like different. So it is environment, environment. And after that, I'm going to tell you the one fact that is like women and women. So the difference, I think sometimes we people are doing mistake. If there is a one, I think that WAWOMAN, then we will
Hmm.
call it woman, woman, woman. When there will
Woman.
be a lot more, I think ladies, we will call it women, 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 right? Like there
Women
are
and
two,
women.
yeah, of course, women for one and women for I think just grow. So that is all about today, and I'm really happy because you spoke very well, and about your grammar, you're speaking very fantabulously. So don't care about it. Literally, you will be able to improve your all the pronunciation, and I'm here for that. So don't worry.
Okay.
So thank you
Yeah.
so much. Many, many thanks to you, Nayan, and I'm really happy to talk to you again. So bye bye. Take care.